check out what we were given. It is this 4/4 violin. Now, it comes with everything that you need with it. It's got extra strings, cloth to be able to keep it clean. Comes with the rest that goes on your shoulder. Now, we've already put this in there, but check this out. When you look at this gig, what they call it, a gig case, because it is the soft close case, it is nicely done. Now, this is made with spruce wood and maple. Now, this has a very, very nice sound with the bridge and everything that's with it. Comes with that. Not only that, but it comes with this really nice bow. You can see it, and it all tightens up. And she puts it together. You can see that the rest goes on nicely. It's got a place for your chin right here at the front.
I don't think it's in tune anymore.
Listen to how the sound resonates out of the violin. So we're going to let her play just for a second so that you can really hear how well.
It's been a minute.
And as you see, it sounds really, really well. So if you would like to have one for you or for one of your kids, then get you one of these.